Hey everybody, it's Cliff with Kitchen Dads, and today we're going to do something really fun. I got the kitchen kids with me, and we took a trip to Asheville, North Carolina, where we stopped at, was it Rocket Fizz? Rocket Fizz is a great store. It's full of candy and soda pop. So, I mean, as a kid, what else would you want? While we were there, these two decided to that we should have a tasting because they have some really weird flavors. There was flavors like dirt and worms and vomit and all that stuff. So I agreed to let them pick 6 soda pops, and we're going to blind taste them. They're going to pour some. I'm going to taste it. I'm going to see if I can guess or come close to what it is, and they're going to just like laugh at me because I know it's. Rank. And then I'm going to rank, right, Michael? Then afterwards, when we're all done, I'm going to rank them from favorite to least favorite, and then we're going to compare it against what they thought would happen. So let's get to it. So this is soda pop number 1. Nick's going to pour this one up. You can pick the cup up, Nick. Pick the cup up in the air so it doesn't.
Oh, I was just helping.
All right. I promised them I wouldn't look at it. They put it down, just put it down. All right. I'm going to close my eyes. It smells pretty good. Wow, actually, that's pretty good. It almost tastes like a soda pop called Rock and Rye that I had as a kid. It's sweet. I'm guessing this is some kind of cherry flavored soda. That's number 1. All right, you taste it. All right, reveal. Number 1 is, what's it called?
Huckleberry.
It's called Huckleberry. So it was nice. It's actually kind of sweet and kind of cherry flavored like. I guess it's huckleberry flavored like. So that's number 1. All right. So let's put that here. Put the cup behind it so I know which one it is so I can rank it. All right. We're going to go on to number 2. Michael, pour number 2. Pick it up. Pick the cup up. Pour some in. That was good. I was hoping not to start out like a vomit flavored one or something. All right. Close my eyes. Now this doesn't smell as nice as the last one. Oh my God. Tastes like old shoes. All right, try it again. It's like somebody left a caramel in their old shoes. Oh my gosh. All right. It's kind of a bittersweet shoe flavored soda pop.
Can't even taste.
You know sometimes where like if you have a candy and you put it in your pocket and it stays in your coat for like a year and then you're really desperate and you unpeel it and you realize it's kind of nasty. Well, that's what that tastes like. Okay, I'm gonna go with some kind of caramel. Wait, oh, she don't.
Okay. What's your guess?
Is it
Remember, artificial flavorings.
Artificial flavorings. It is old boxed candy. Bad butterscotch. All right, Mike. I'm going for butterscotch.
Okay.
Just lifts it up. And it is no. All right, so this is supposed to be bacon flavored, and I can tell you, I like bacon a lot. All right, a lot. It's like God country bacon. Our family's in there somewhere, I guess too. This is not bacon flavored. This is maybe bacon. This is like those fake bacon flavored treats for the dogs. Well, if I accidentally ate one of those, it would be this. So, okay, so that's...
I want a sip of this too.
No, we're going to go down the line. All right, so 1 in the okay column, 1 in not okay column. Soda pop number 3. I hope this is good because my mouth is not tasting really good right now.
This is gonna be so good.
All right, ready? Ready? Wow, this is very sweet. Kind of tastes like somebody melted a lollipop or a sucker. It's got some red. I guess red doesn't really taste, but it tastes like something that would be red. You guys want to taste it? Cherry bomb. One more time. Let me see that one more time. All right.
Artificial flavoring.
It's there isn't much to the smell. Artificial flavoring. Well, they're all artificially flavored.
Yeah.
You can't make natural baking soda. That'd be baking soda. But anyway, okay. I'm gonna go with Swizzler. No, I don't know. I have no idea.
Pour
Just
another
take a
one?
guess. Take a random.
Okay, bitter orange.
For the reveal.
And the winner is peaches and cream. Okay, I can get that a little bit. That makes pretty good. It's, it's not, I would have added, if I would make this, no offense to the people who do, I would put more peach flavor in because it just tastes like orange.
Okay.
And again, bacon, peaches. For me, it's a neck and neck type of thing. So
Here.
work on your formulation.
You ready?
Yes. All right, here we go. Next one. And again, I'm very happy so far. We haven't any vomit or dirt. Or,
You did have a
Not all that bad.
all
but you
underwear.
had a bacon.
I get there's no smell.
There's no smell.
Should we do this?
It's too.
There's not much taste. Go ahead. I know what that tastes like.
Water.
I know what that tastes like. I tell you exactly what that tastes like.
I think I know what
Go
you're
ahead.
gonna say.
It smells like that.
Taste?
Kind of.
While they're tasting, I'll tell you what I think it tastes like. All right?
Yeah, I think I know.
So if you ever blown your nose like with a tissue and it got wet, or wiped your mouth with a piece of toilet paper or something and a little bit got in your mouth, it tastes like wet toilet paper. So I would say this one's gonna be bubbly, fuzzy, wet toilet paper.
You ready?
Yes, I am. Reveal is,
You
gotta reveal it to them. Jamaica Ugave. Oh, it's an agave.
Yep.
It's agave, okay. Well, it's hibiscus flower. It's caffeine free. Not bad, not bad. All right.
Nick?
Next. I would drink that one and that one. These two, not so much.
Oh yeah, this one.
All right, number
You know.
Number 5. All right. Ah,
Okay, that kind of.
I can tell you this is not going to be a good. Mike, you going to be okay? You going to be okay?
Yes.
I'm really not looking for. They know what this is, and you see their faces. Look at their faces. They know what this is.
Not that bad. Okay. It shouldn't be. It's just artificial flavoring. Like.
No, I got to take another sip. Try to figure out what that is. Butterscotch. It's like butterscotch and dirt. Ah!
Here.
It's honey. Oh my gosh. It tastes like somebody put a cigarette out in my soda pop. My butterscotch soda pop. Ashes and butterscotch. That's go on. Yeah.
Come on, you want to.
Yeah, I want to.
Extremely sweet. That is, and for someone that doesn't do a lot of sugar, oh my gosh, that's extremely sweet. But
It smells like it.
drink, okay? It smells. But to me, I'll let him taste it before we reveal. It tastes like ashes and butterscotch with a lot of sugar in it.
This tastes.
Go ahead.
It's not butterscotch, yeah. Oh, it's not.
All right.
It smells and.
Ready for the reveal, Michael?
no, he
So
doesn't.
reveal.
Ugh.
Lift it up. And it is. Oh, yay! Well, first of all, just so you know, the Monkees are my favorite band, right? And it's supposed to be banana nut soda. So I could see the little nutty, not so much banana, but the nutty. So I'm going to just give this a thumbs up just because it's a monkey soda.
And then, how do you taste and smell?
All right, who's got the last one?
I do.
Good luck with this one, Daddy.
That was really sweet, though.
No, good luck with this one.
Good luck. Okay. All right, we're going to do number 6 here. Are you guys worried about this? It's really sweet. I mean, like really sweet. This would like kill a diabetic in 5 seconds. All right, you taste that. It makes me think of umbrellas. I don't know why.
Umbrella.
It tastes like melted candy. Like you melted Jolly Ranchers. It's like a pink. I know there's not one, but if you had a pink Jolly Rancher and you melted it, that's what it tastes like. All right. On this one, I want you to give me a hint.
No.
No hints.
It's not a natural flavor.
None of these are natural flavors, Nick,
No,
except
like,
for that one.
Not an actual
Okay.
flavor.
All right, my taste.
Really, yeah.
Go ahead. So it's not a natural flavor. I can tell it's that. Right?
What is it?
Cotton candy.
Okay, here's what it is.
They want to see. Oh, okay. So this would be, when he said not natural, it's out of this world because it's Martian poop. So just so you know,
That's good.
Martians poop in pink.
You have green.
All right. I'm going to put these in order of my most favorite to my least favorite. This is the most favorite over here. This is the least favorite over here. These guys wrote down beforehand what they thought would be my most favorite to least favorite. So we're going to check in with them. They're going to get some right. They're going to get some wrong, just the way it goes. I can already tell you right now, the Martian poop is my least favorite. This one is my least favorite, right? Because anything with the word poop in it, you should not drink.
Got it right.
Right? Well, that's good. Okay, I don't want to hear that yet. Okay, you tell me afterwards. All right, so now we're going to go with the second least favorite. And I would have to say that would be bacon, the bacon soda, because it's just an insult to bacon. I mean, there's not even any bacon in there. They could at least put a piece of bacon in there. So that was a close one, all right? Bacon soda. So now we got peaches and cream, oolong, the Monkees. Now, as much as I love the Monkees, right? The banana nut soda just didn't cut it. It was okay, but it just didn't cut. Well, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna give the Monkees a 1 bump up because it was just about as bad as the peaches and cream. All right. So, and then I'm gonna say my first one, the huckleberry, was probably my favorite, and then the ugave. So we're gonna go ugave. All right. So Michael, what did you put for number 1?
I got none of them right.
None of them right. What did you think? Wait.
Banana. I thought you would do peaches and cream.
Peaches and cream, my favorite. And what did you think would be my least favorite?
The bacon.
The bacon. All right, you're pretty close on that one. Nick, what did you think would be my least favorite?
Peaches and cream.
Peaches and cream. And my least favorite?
Poop.
Poop. See? So, you know, and they know how much I love peaches. So they probably were right in guessing that if this was good and it tasted like peaches, I probably would have ranked it number 1. But anyway, so this was fun. Do it at home. Thank you guys for not getting any vomit or dirty underwear.
Poop.
You got poop, but that's Martian poop.
We were about to get a kitty litter.
I'm glad you didn't get a kitty litter. All right, well, hey, if you haven't subscribed to Kitchen Dads. Ring the bell for notifications. Guys, say bye.
Bye.
So now it's my turn to get back at the boys. I am going to go ahead and combine all these wonderful flavors, Martian poop and really bad bacon and peaches and cream, which are not peaches and cream, and a little more of that one because that one's really bad. And then I'm going to call them and have them tell them that I made a concoction and see if they can figure out what it tastes like. So hold on, just a little bit of the Monkees banana. All right. Hey, boys, come on. Come on, I got something for you.
What?
All right. So I made my own concoction. Come over here. I made my own concoction, one each for you, and I want you to taste it and tell me what it tastes like. Now, Michael, I'm going to have you describe it first.
It smells like puke. Can I pour this on you?
What does it think? What do you think it is? What does it taste like? You have to drink it. You didn't drink it.
I did.
Oh, drink it.
Oh. Tastes like the bacon.
Tastes like the bacon. All right, Nick, what does it taste like?
Smells like sugar.
Well, that's what it is. It's just a bunch of sugar with colors in it.
I think I might puke.
Take
What?
that roadkill.
Roadkill.
I might puke.
Well, you got a sink over there, and you got. All right, hold on. You come over here. Nick, what does it taste like up here?
Rot.
Rot. All right. Well, anyways, I feel a little bit better because I got them back a little bit. All right, you guys are good sports. Thank you. See you later.